Alright guys, today I want to look at some simple computer programming for kids. So I'm going to go up here to my Spotlight, or the other way to get there is to go Command Spacebar, and I'm going to type in Scratch, S-C-R-A-T-C-H. And my top hit is the cat, Scratch. Scratch is a cool program for teaching kids how to do computer programming. So let's have a look at what's going on. Now, I just want to start simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the cat. So I want you to get the scissors and cut the cat with the scissors and get rid of him. And then we're going to look at what's going on here. Number one, we've got a stage. And here's the stage we're highlighted on now because there's no cat anymore. Number two, we've got scripts, where the scripts live. And that's this area here. That's our information section. And number three, we've got all of the commands that we can use. So to start with, we got rid of the cat. We're going to make another really simple sprite. So what I want you to do, a sprite is like a little character that's going to be in a game or in a computer program. So we're going to go here to the star with the paintbrush and paint a new sprite. And what I want you to do is keep it very, very simple. I just want you to paint an arrow to start with. So just a nice simple arrow. And I'm going to colour my arrow red. You can colour your arrow whatever you want. So a nice simple arrow, and then say OK. And what will happen is your arrow will turn up on the screen. Okay, so now we can see that we've got a sprite, sprite 1. It's an arrow. I think I'm going to click on it and call it red arrow. And it's always a good idea. And when I go return, you'll notice that the name changes down here, red arrow. So it's always a good idea when you're doing computer programming and stuff to have sensible names for things so that you know what's going on when you're looking at it. And now the next thing I want to show you is that when we're clicked on the red arrow, we've got an area here to give it some scripts to make it do stuff. Alright, so first thing I want to show you is that if I go to the control, the yellow tab, I can pull out when the flag is clicked, that's that green flag up there. When the flag is clicked, something's going to happen here. So let's go to the motion tab and grab the move 10 steps. When the flag is clicked, move 10 steps. When I go up here and click the flag, that arrow moves. It moves 10 steps every time I click the flag. What if I want to make it something different? Alright, let's go back to control, back to the yellow one, and I'm going to grab the forever. And this program, this Scratch, is made by the guys who make Lego robots. So what happens is it all clicks together like Lego. When the flag is clicked, forever, move 10 steps. Let's see what happens then. When I click the flag, now my arrow moves forever. It moves until something else happens. But you notice that it goes to the edge and then stops. Alright, so what if I go back to the motion one, the dark blue one, and say, let's put in, if it's on the edge, bounce. And you notice now that my arrow moves, and if it touches the edge, it bounces. Scratch is fun and it's cool and you can't go wrong. So what I want to show you is that if I pull stuff out or put it back in, or if I come here and change this number 10 to 2, straight away my change happens in the program. You can't break it. It's all about trying things out. And that's it for lesson 1. I'd just like you to get in and have a little play. Make yourself an arrow sprite. See if you can make it do this. See if you can make it do anything else. Alright, that's it for lesson 1.